Oh, fuck. Yeah. Like, you have to, like, stand on, like, the hidden spot or whatever. Sometimes, too. There it is. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And, oh, and then Snow died. I got it! I love how Kido takes off his hair when he exits a level. He wears a wig the whole time. Now there is a switch. That must be the one on that one island. I have no idea. Maybe. If it's talking about a switch, maybe this instance has it. Where is that island anyway? Yeah, so Snow showed me this not too long ago. And I knew about other multiplayer mods, but I didn't know about this one. And I'm glad he showed it to me, because this is really fucking cool. And it's, like, extremely easy to set up. Ow, what the fuck? Oh, yeah, and see, okay, so... No! No! Oh my god. Man, you move even like slightly closer to that and it just breaks. You just hit it with your head. Oh my god. That's what you're doing. Oh, there is a switch over here by the red throwy man. Oh, I gotta get rid of this Latiku. Come here, you fucking Latiku. I'm gonna kick your ass. Get over here. Get over here. Get over here. Oh no. You're not grabbing me, not this time. Get the fuck out of here. Oh, it's gonna be this kind of and then Snow died. Oh, barely caught the edge. Get it. Get it. Get it. I just realized I'm stuck over here. Yeah. Oh, it is. So I can just exit course. Yeah. Yeah, pause menu says that's it, so. Yeah. Okay, so now we gotta... Huh? Yeah. I don't know. Going to... Oh, twin stars? Oh, 20. I heard twin. Oh god, Luigi! Luigi! Down below. A little bit down below. No, 20. 20, it should be... Wait, hold on. Oh, it's actually like, yeah, it's almost like almost right at the beginning of the zone. Exit course real quick. Oh fuck. Yeah. Like you have to like stand on like the hidden spot or whatever. Sometimes too. There it is. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And, oh, and then Snow died. I got it!